Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today's video is going to be really useful because I'll be introducing you to a powerful offline PDF editor called Systweak PDF Editor. With Systweak PDF Editor, you can easily edit, convert, secure, compress, merge, annotate, sign, and even perform OCR on your scanned PDF files. It's an all-in-one solution that covers almost everything you need for daily PDF work, whether for personal use, business, or handling confidential documents. The best part? It works completely offline on Windows, so your files never leave your computer and everything stays private and secure. I decided to try it and see how it actually performs, and in this video, I'll share my experience after using this software. Interface and setup. After installing the software, the first thing I noticed was that the interface is quite clean and easy to understand. All the tools are organized in tabs like Edit, Convert, Secure, OCR, Tools, and Page, so it doesn't feel confusing even if you're using it for the first time. Everything is arranged in a way that most tools are easy to find. Editing features explained. Alright, so the first thing I wanted to test was basic editing. So I opened a PDF here. It's an invoice I need to make some changes to. Now, once the PDF is open, I'll click on Edit from the menu bar at the top, and here you can see all the editing options available. Let me start with adding new text. So I'll click on Add Text, then click anywhere on the page, and it creates a text box right there. The client name was missing from this invoice, so I'll just type it in. Now I can also select the text and change its properties from the Text Properties menu on the side. I can change the font, the size, the color, and even adjust the opacity. Once I'm happy with how it looks, I'll just reposition it by clicking and dragging. Really straightforward. Now let me also show you how to edit text that is already in the PDF. For this, I'll click on Edit Content. What this does is it scans all the content in the PDF and makes it editable, so I can just click on any existing text and start making changes directly. The date on this invoice was incorrect, so I'll just click on it and fix it. Now let me also quickly show you image insertion. The company logo was missing from this invoice, so I'll click on Add Image, select the image from my computer, and just click where I want to place it on the page. And there it is. I can drag from the corners to resize it and click and move it to reposition. Very simple. So for basic editing, the software works really well. No complaints here. Now let me also show you the annotation tools, because these are really useful when you are reviewing documents or collaborating with someone. To access these, I'll click on the Comment tab from the menu bar at the top, and here you can see all the annotation options available. So let me start with the basics. If I want to highlight some important text, I'll just click on Highlight, select the text, and it gets highlighted. You can also change the highlight color if you prefer a different one. There is also an underline option. Same thing, just click on it and select the text you want to underline. If you're reviewing a document and want to mark something as incorrect or no longer needed, there is a strike-through tool for that. There is also a squiggly line tool, which is useful for marking areas that need attention or correction. And for more flexible markup, there is a freehand line tool where you can draw directly on the document. Very useful if you're on a pen tablet. You can also add sticky notes using the Note tool. Just click anywhere on the page and leave a comment. You can double-click on it later to read it. There are also stamps like Approved or Confidential, and a Shapes tool where you can insert rectangles, circles, or arrows to highlight specific areas on the page. So overall, the annotation tools cover pretty much everything you would need for reviewing or marking up a document. Next, I tested conversion. I converted a PDF to Word, and the formatting stayed quite accurate. The layout looked very similar to the original. I also tried Excel and PowerPoint conversions, and the results were good in most cases. One feature I really liked is batch conversion. Instead of converting files one by one, you can add multiple files and convert them all at once. Really useful if you have a lot of documents. Security features. Now let me talk about security features, because if you work with important documents, this stuff really matters. So first, I will show you password protection. I will go to Secure, click on Protect, set a password, and done. Now nobody can open this file without the password. You can also restrict editing, so someone can read the file but cannot make any changes to it. There is also an option to block copying, so nobody can copy the text from your PDF. I also tested the redaction feature. So if you have sensitive information in a document, like an ID number or a phone number, you can black it out permanently. I will select the text I want to hide, apply redaction, and as you can see, it is completely removed. Even if someone tries to copy it, it is gone. I also tried adding a digital signature. I just clicked on the signature option, drew my signature, and placed it on the document. Very simple. OCR feature, scanned PDFs. Now this is a feature many people actually need but do not know about. If you have a scanned document, normally you cannot edit or even search the text in it because it's just an image. I ran OCR on a scanned PDF, and after processing, I could select the text, edit it, and search within the document. It worked really well. Very useful for old scanned files or printed documents. Page management tools. I also tried some page management tools like splitting PDFs, inserting pages, replacing pages, rotating pages, and rearranging pages by drag and drop. These tools are useful when you're organizing large documents. Additional tools. There are also a few extra tools like comparing two PDF files to find differences, repairing corrupted PDF files, and batch processing multiple files. I also tested the PDF compression feature. You can compress a single PDF, and there is also a batch compression option where you can compress multiple PDF files at once. I also tried merging multiple PDF files into one document, which worked smoothly. This is useful when you have multiple reports, chapters, or documents and want to combine them into a single PDF. There are also some additional tools like adding page numbers, extracting images from PDFs, and editing metadata, which can be useful in some situations. So overall, the software includes a lot of tools in one place instead of using multiple different PDF tools. Batch operations on multiple PDF files. Users can process multiple PDF files all at once with ease for many operations, like converting PDF to other formats and vice versa, compressing PDFs to reduce sizes, batch OCR PDFs, batch secure PDF files, batch creates multiple PDF files. Offline advantage. One thing I personally liked is that the software works completely offline. That means your documents don't get uploaded anywhere and everything stays private and secure. I decided to try it and see how it actually performs, and in this video, I'll share my experience after using this software. Overall, after using the software and testing many of its features, I can say that Systweak PDF Editor is a solid offline PDF editor for Windows with most of the features people need for daily PDF work. If you work with PDFs regularly and prefer an offline tool instead of online converters, this software might be worth checking out. If you want to try this software yourself, I'll put the link in the description so you can check it out and see if it works for your needs. That's it for this video. I hope this review was helpful. Now tell me in the comments, what PDF tool are you currently using? Which feature in this software did you like the most? And do you prefer offline tools or online tools? Comment below. If this video helped you, hit the like button and subscribe so you don't miss videos like this. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.